Here's the key fob for the Hyundai Elantra. First thing we'll do is we'll press this switch and then get this physical key out. Now see this edge of the key? We need to put it right over there in that slot and then give it a firm twist to open it up. So put it right there, give it a twist. You may have to try this a couple times before it opens up. There you go. See, the key fob is now pried open. Get it aside. Now this side with the chip, that's where the battery is. We need to get it out of that casing. If it doesn't come off, you can just use your fingernail or the key to just get it out from over there, and there you go. Out it comes. Now underneath this where the battery is, we just need to slide it out of there. The battery is out. The battery type is CR2032. The positive side has markings on it, negative side has no markings. Put the new battery with the positive side facing upwards. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon for yourself. Now put this side back into the case over there. Good. Now let's get this other side, and this other side's got this like white rubber seal. Make sure it's positioned properly. This rubber seal will prevent water from getting inside over there. Now align these two pieces and then press them together. That is good. Put the physical key back in. If the key does not engage, look at that little switch in the back there. You may have to use a screwdriver to sort of push it, and then it'll work properly. Good. Try this out. Unlock works good. Lock button works good as well. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.